Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you create meeting link in Microsoft Teams. So guys, it's a very easy process. At first, just install the Microsoft Teams app and create an account. And after doing that, just go to the Microsoft Teams app. Here you can see in the bottom left here, home icon, click on it. After clicking it, here you can see the second option here is Meet Now, click on it. By clicking Meet Now, your link will be automatically created. You can just copy the link, just clicking the third option here, copy meeting link like this, and you can send the meeting link to anyone. There is another process to create a link. Just go back and again click on the bottom left home icon. Click the third option here, meet later, and you can schedule a meeting just like select event name, anything you want. You can skip the other part. Click on the top right the save button, and your event created successfully. Now just click the bottom message icon, and here you can see the first option here is Tech Team, click on it. Click the details option here, this one, and here you can see this copy meeting link option. In this process, your meeting link is automatically created again. So guys, that's how you can create a meeting link in Microsoft Teams. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.